Alright, let's imagine we had a metal sphere like this. The metal sphere is covered in positive and negative charges. The negative charges are electrons, they're delocalized, and there are equal numbers of positive and negative charges. So I've got 7 positives, and so I need 7 negatives. So you might ask yourself, what happens when I bring a rod nearby if that rod has a charge on it? So let's take a rod, something like this, and I guess we'll do the rod in a kind of yellow color. There's my rod. And let's say that we've given the rod a negative charge by rubbing it with a cloth. What is going to happen to the negative charges in the sphere? Hopefully you've got the answer. They're going to be repelled. So if we look onto another slide, we can see that happen. So now all the negative electrons will be repelled down towards the bottom here. 4, 5, 6, 7. The positives will remain throughout the material. 5, 6, 7. And so we can see that the charge has been redistributed, and that makes it look like the sphere is kind of charged. The top looks positive and the bottom looks negative. But actually it hasn't gained or lost any charge yet. Now what happens is I come along and I touch this object. So let's get some skin color. Here is my finger. There it is. Now when I touch this, my finger says, hey, it looks like this sphere is positive. Some of the electrons from my finger, they should move. And they should move into the sphere. So the electrons will move from me into the sphere. What does that mean? Well, if we go to the next slide, we can see again. Now, excess electrons have gone into this from my finger, so we're up to 4, 5, what's that, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. However, there's still only 7 positives everywhere. And let's take away this this thing altogether, this rod. We don't need that anymore. You can now see that there is a net negative charge on the sphere, a negative charge, and we have now charged the sphere. So just to summarize how we've done that, we've brought a polythene rod near the sphere. That's moved the electrons down to the bottom of the sphere. Then what we've done is we've brought our finger towards it. Our finger has thought that the sphere was positive, so it's transferred electrons from the finger to the sphere. Then we've removed our finger, leaving the sphere with extra electrons. And that's charging through induction.